How to use a dictionary effectively and find words and their meanings. Define dictionary. A reference source in print or electronic form containing words usually alphabetically arranged along with information about their forms, pronunciations, functions, etymologies, meanings, and syntactic and idiomatic uses. Using dictionary for finding out of and family words. A dictionary can be used to look up the meaning of a word. You can also use a dictionary to check the spelling of a word. Dictionaries may also give other information about words, such as word type and word origin. It provides information on the reader's syllables, intonation and pronunciation of words. Moreover, it gives the information on how the words in a sentence are used. Dictionaries are used for words or phrases you do not know and you want to know the meaning. 1. Look up the meaning of an English word you see or hear. 2. Find the English translation of a word in your language. 3. Check the spelling of a word. 4. Check the plural of a noun or past tense of a verb. 5. Find out other grammatical information about a word. Find the synonym or antonym of a word. Importance. Advantages of using a good dictionary. There are many benefits of using a good dictionary. These are described as under. 1. Proper spelling of words. Using a dictionary helps to know the proper spellings of words, especially when they are used in different parts of speech. For example, the word advice is a noun but advise is a verb. Parts of speech. Different parts of speech of the same word are used in different ways in sentences. Learners should know the different parts of speech of each word they come across and how to use them in sentences. A good dictionary helps the learner in this matter. E.g., take the word fast. He runs fast. He is a fast runner. 4 examples in sentences. Dictionaries comprise not only of words but also of using those words in sentence examples. These examples help new learners to form clear ideas of how and where exactly to use those words in sentences. E.g., the word hope is a verb and should be used after its subject, like we hope to win the contest. Part. Talking dictionary. Talking dictionaries help the learner to hear the right pronunciation. 6. Usage of words and phrases. Using a good dictionary enriches the learner with the knowledge of using phrasal verbs or group verbs, phrases, idioms, prepositions, transitive or intransitive verbs, different parts of speech of a single word, etc. 6. Guessing the meaning. Once the learner is familiar enough with dictionary and he knows how a word is to be looked up, he should try to assume the meaning from the context of a word if he doesn't know it. He should do it as frequently as possible and then take his dictionary only to confirm it.